Ladies and gents, we ask you that you keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt signs are on, and for your comfort and safety we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated, and that you please keep the aisle free at all times to allow other customers and crew to pass by you freely. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. All are fitted with smoke detectors, and smoking is not permitted on board at any time, and this includes the use of e-cigarettes. When using the toilet facilities, please ensure that there are no more than 2 people queuing to avoid congestion in the galley and the aisle areas. If you need to open the overhead lockers, please take care in case anything has moved and could fall out. As a result of the outbreak of COVID-19, the public health authorities recommend that everyone should ensure frequent hand washing with soap and water, and that you cover your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing, use a tissue or flexed elbow, and that you avoid touching your face. There's lots of guidance on public health authority websites which they encourage you to read, and this includes details of symptoms and actions to take upon reaching your destination. Links to these are available through easyjet.com. Face coverings are required to be worn on board at all times, unless instructed by the crew in the unlikely event of a loss of cabin pressure. Face masks can be removed for eating and drinking while seated, but these must be put on immediately after you have finished. Please do not wipe down the tray table or your seating area. Specialist cleaning materials have been used for your protection against viruses. In case of spillages, please advise a member of the cabin crew who can provide you with wipes. We'll shortly commence our bistro service from our reduced range on board. For today's meal deal offer, simply choose a snack box and drink and a snack for £7. We have a range of soft drinks, spirits, wines and beer, and a variety of sweet and savoury snacks. Unfortunately, part of this reduced range does not include hot drinks or any hot or cold sandwiches. We only accept payment by credit or debit card, and contactless is our preferred method of payment. Throughout the flight, we'll be passing through the cabin to collect any items of rubbish that you have. Please do not leave any items of rubbish in the seat pockets or in your seating area, and instead dispose of it when we complete our rubbish collections. If you do need to dispose of a face mask, please advise the cabin crew, who can give you a bag to dispose of this safely. We now ask you to sit back, relax and enjoy this flight. If there is anything you need, please don't